In this lesson, we are going to work on comments. Specifically, it's going to be the approved page of comments. So let's create our approved page. So right click and new file and approved.html. Okay, and we want to go to Bootstrap 3, template HTML5, tab, change a few things on this page. Approved. Add our HTTP here and here and here. Okay, and let's double click on approved, and that's what we have. Okay, so this is where we'll start working on the rest of the page items. Let's go into articles. It's very similar. So we are going to take everything in the body section. Okay, so minimize and copy that and paste it here. All right, minimize. Actually, let's see what we need to change. In our navigation, I'm going to take active away from article and put it here for comments, and then we could minimize our side menu. And here, nothing to change. And here, this will stay, and we'll just change this to approved. And what else do we need to do here? If we come down here, from this article, we don't need that, and we don't need this navigation. We don't need the horizontal run either. Okay, so we have unstyled document. Let's add our default style. So having a default style has come in very handy, so we could reuse that every time we need to, and there we have something recognizable. So this is what we are aiming to have, and this is what we have so far. Okay, so if we start writing here, we're going to make a row with column or some columns. So I'm going to get rid of this for now. Okay, and make this 1 for medium size screen. Another one here would be 11. Okay, so in the first one, fake img tab, we installed that plugin, I think, at some point back. And here we have 70, 70, so that's the width and height. So this is the content that's displayed inside. So that's what we have. Okay, our image. I'm going to add a class from Bootstrap, which gives us a more rounded image. So to work on this right block, which would be our MD11, I'm going to make another row and column inside that. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this, and we'll make the first column. So the first column will be, I think it's 9, and we'll copy this and paste it here, and this is 3. Okay, so here I'm going to have a name, so I put my name, Kingsley Jama, and here we'll say posted message on, and bold, put some how things are made, a line break that and come down here, and small, so just say posted today 2 to 1 p.m. and we could put a date here, 16, we just reverse it, 01/16/2015. Okay, Alright, so our structure is coming together fine, so that's what we've done so far, and that's what we are aiming for. So we're going to have a few more things to do. So the next thing I want to do is put here, this would be our how many days ago I think this was done. So this is going to float to the right, so we'll use clearfix first, and then within our clearfix we'll put another div in here, and class say pulled right, and this would be 2 days ago, something like that. Okay, so that's it there, it's pulled right and it's cleared for us. So this row, we have a row inside a row, so it's fine to do that. So that's what we've done. So the next thing we want to do is create a well. So bs3 well gives us a class which is a block with a grayed background. So put some text in there. So that's our well right there. So it's not positioned where we want it to. We want it to be positioned just there. And if we come here, we can copy this, cut it, Command X or Ctrl X, and we want to put it within, just next to our class row right there. Okay, so that is that's that. So if we reset the screen, we have it there. We could go for a small one by saying well -sm, and it fits in just fine. So that's exactly what we want. So we have these buttons down here to do, and we're nearly there. So we could put the buttons just here, just below the well, and say div class clearfix, since we're floating items, div class, put this to the right, and then we want to make an extra small link button of type default. Okay, tab, and that's what we have. So we have a button with the title D button there, and we can change that. Okay, so unapprove. So unapprove has an icon, so we could generate the icon again using bs3 icon, glyph icon. Okay, we'll change the icon to thumbs down. Alright, so that's done. We could copy this here and paste it just below. We could change this to delete, and we can change our glyph icon to remove, and there we go. We have something similar to this. So our HTML is complete. In the next lesson, we'll work on styling what we've done and getting it to look like the master page we are copying. So that's all for this lesson, and I'll see you in the next lesson.